Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Romanovich, Auto Surgeon. We are back at it. Today we got a brand new build. It is right in front of me. I'm gonna try to film around it a little bit, but here it is. Is 2014 Subaru. I think it's a Crosstrek. Let's go ahead and look at it, or whatever it's called. Crosstrek, yeah, right there. It's beautiful, really nice, super clean. Well, except the damage. But let's go ahead and give you a small little tour. This is gonna be the new build for the channel. It's really nice. I love it. This is one of my favorite cars. I actually want one myself, maybe a different color, but this definitely reminds me of the Acura TL Type S that I had 08. So let's go ahead and dive in, show you what this is all about. Alright, so there you go. Here's the damage that we have here. Got this strap holding on this bumper because it's missing on this side. Here's the biggest impact right here. Buckled the hood, messed up the fender, sadly. Don't think we can save that. Probably one of the first things we'll have to remove, that way it's not damaging our perfectly aligned door. But I'm gonna start looking for parts. I'm sure they won't be cheap, but shouldn't be too crazy. Here's our hinge setup over here. Kind of messed it up. The hood's gonna have to go anyway since it is bent. Let me try to prop this up somehow with one hand. Here we go. Other than that, here's everything's pretty straight. This is only moved back just a hair because of this buckle right there. We'll have to pull all this out right there. That shouldn't be a big deal. Looks like the radiator and the condenser were not touched whatsoever from both sides. There's still perfect clearance back there, so nothing was damaged. Really happy for that. I mean, it fires up, it drives, so that's really, really nice. We'll have to throw the battery in the charger because it's completely shot. Hopefully we don't have to buy another one. It's gonna suck if we do. Here's something that's off. Probably could be an issue of why she wouldn't want to run for so long, but no worries, we'll put that back on. But yeah, we're gonna start tearing it apart, see what the extent of the damage we can find. Pretty much mint condition. So the only thing is broken right there, which this side is as well. I'm guessing it holds the front bumper as well for some support where the clips go in. This little cover, shield, splash guard type of deal is really good condition. Nothing wrong with it. So here it is. This little what are they called? Column. Guess you could say it's crumpled. Pretty sure that's nothing crazy. We could pull it out. We'll just use this messed up piece. We'll pull on it as far as we can, make it straight, and then we'll replace this right here. So yeah, that's not a big deal. You can see how it crimped up right there, but nothing that a frame machine can't handle. This is pretty easy. We could probably just pull this out and straighten it out ourselves. Just need a little bit of muscle, you know. Get a small little hitch right there, ratchet it out, and this should be nice in the line. This right here just needs to go back here and re-welded, so this bracket can be saved for sure. So not that much damage at all. That's what I'm finding. Nothing has leaked. We'll have to check the oil. Here's the dipstick. Let's see, it's definitely got plenty of oil. Looks not bad. Not bad at all. Like this little cover. Covers over the belt so it doesn't scare some people when it's turning, I guess. Down there, it's looking nice and dry. It could be wet a little bit because when I was hauling this back, it was pouring like crazy. Otherwise, it's pretty nice and clean under here. That is really nice and satisfying. There's a broken bracket from something. I think this might be from the headlight. Yeah, something along those lines. Maybe right here. And there goes that bolt. But shouldn't be too difficult to figure out. Yeah, right there. There, I drop it again. But everything else looks good. I'm gonna try to go ahead and try to pull this a little forward with whatever I got and see if we can make any progress. I do see that there's a crack right here, but it has not messed up the structure of it. It's actually still intact, so that's good. I don't think we're gonna have to swap that out. If anything, I'll pull the whole fan assembly out and see, because everything else is really good and straight. All the brackets are in their place. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this a little bit and hopefully we can straighten it out a little bit. Here I just removed the fender. You can see there's no damage whatsoever over here, so that is really nice. There's no suspension damage or anything like that. Everything looks really nice and straight. That's a huge plus. None of the ball joints are ripped or anything. Even this boot is in really nice condition. All this wire harness was not pinched, so that's super lucky. None of these we won't have to change anything, so that's really awesome. Really awesome. So from here, looking wise, we need a fender, we need a headlight, we need this front end rebar, and then the front bumper and this column, this extension, little small extension right there, which it looks like is actually part of this rebar. So there should be 2 bolts here and 2 underneath right there. It should come right out. Yeah, just pull this out right there, swap it out for a new one, and just make sure to pull this out and pretty much bang these out so that it's nice and straight right there. Otherwise, it is in really nice condition, so nothing's touched back there. Really excited for that. But yeah, gonna go ahead and maybe remove a little bit more. Really not much I can do here anyways, since we need the frame machine. We'll have to get some of this pulled. I already bent this down a little bit. It is just slowly mocking it up to what it should look like it is over there. But yeah, I'm just super happy we don't have to do anything in the interior. No airbag lights. There's literally no lights. Let me actually go ahead and try to show you guys how much mileage there is. Here's the key. It's really nice and simple. Let's check it out. Let me show you. Well, yeah, look at this interior. It is super nice. It does have a reverse camera and everything. It is the full package. Let's see. See if there's enough juice. Okay, here we go. 44,876. That is awesome. As soon as she fires up, all the lights go away. So I just don't want to do it right now because it's completely dead. I'm gonna have to put the battery on charge, see if it has a bad cell or not. Well, yeah, super nice. There's some fuses there to make sure that they're all good. Other than that, the interior is super clean. Whoever drove in it for the time being Kept it really nice and clean. Look at that, super nice aux USB. I think this goes in right there. Super nice. There we go. Let's see. And then from the back door, super clean in here as well. These don't even look like they've been used. Maybe just a little bit of dirt, because when they were putting some of the parts in here, there's that I took off, and this is what they took off at the auction. Let's see, there's nothing there. Oh, that even has one of these. Let me guess, for the cups. That is nice. Super convenient. Let's go and see if we can open the trunk. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. See, I love some of the junkyards, or not junkyards, some of the auction people that actually will put the stuff in with the car. That way you're not missing a lot of stuff. Like here's the other side of that filter. Let's see, it is just only cracked right there. Otherwise, it is in really nice condition. So we'll see. Most likely gonna get it replaced, but that's not really that big of a deal. But look at that, it has the little air vents. That is super nice. Look at that. Not even touched, not broken, just taken off. Really awesome. The wheel guard, that is really nice. They can get really expensive, you know. Then let's see what else is under here. That's the rest of the bumper. That is so awesome. They put the other part of the bumper, got all the clips here. This is the splash guard. Here's the front piece that actually sits on top of the radiator support. Really awesome. Look at that. We still even have the badge. It's a little bit of scratched up, but we got this chrome piece. Most likely we'll get the whole setup brand new though. But this is a nice spacious trunk for sure. It's really clean. I love it. This is super exciting. I even love this. This is super nice. I guess they did it so if you have something back here and it accidentally spills or whatever, it doesn't get all over your chairs. So somebody really definitely took care of their car. That is super nice. But yeah, she's looking beautiful, guys. Really excited for this build. Never had one. I think there's gonna be a bunch more of these coming. I know there's a bunch of different versions of them, so yeah. And you got the nice wheels. This one's a little scratched up. Yeah, look at that. Sadly, I'm sure we'll find one. All the other ones I saw that they were really good condition. And look at this, super nice. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Pretty much all I can do right now. Like I said, we'll have to get this pulled out a little bit. Maybe I'll bang this out right here, try to get these bolts out, and then I can bang this to make it nice and parallel with everything, so it is nice and clean. Other than that, look at that. I already pulled it out a little bit. Look at that. The spacing between there and there, it's almost perfect. It maybe needs to go just a little bit more from this point forward. That's all because of this little guy right here. But everything's aligning, and there's little Zeke chilling. It's amazing we finally got some nice warm weather, so finally get to work a little bit on the cars. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna have to soon I'm gonna be firing this baby up. I need to pull the engine back out, put the torque converter on, and then we'll be able to put it all back in and hopefully start it up for the first time. That's gonna be super exciting. Car that I never heard run. That was gonna be exciting, guys. So stay tuned. Here I just went ahead and finally removed the rebar. There she is in her prime. This section obviously is really nice and perfect. So here it is. So it turns out this is actually perfect condition. It didn't shift that way or to the sides or anything like that. I just literally have to bend this little tab forward and we could just slap our new rebar on there. That is super, super nice. Very, very awesome about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bend that out with some nice pliers. Look at these big boys. Look at this. If I could do it with one hand. Hold on. There we go. Bam, look at that. Almost like new. Just gotta bend this one a little bit forward as well. And we're gonna be pretty much ready to put our new parts on. I'm gonna go ahead and make a whole list of everything I need to get, put the orders in, and let it go ahead and come in, since we're getting a bunch of rain and bad weather coming. This way we can just wait while the better weather is coming, and while it's going on, we can wait for all the parts to come in. And once they're all here, you know, we get some good weather, we're gonna be able to bust this thing out. There's definitely not a lot to do. It's just all, I guess you can say, body parts that are just completely swappable. Like this, yeah, we're gonna have to bang it a little bit just to get it nice and leveled. But fender, you just slap it on there and paint it. The hood, you slap it on there and paint it. The headlight, same thing. And the rebar. So that is awesome. This build should be done very, very soon, just depending how fast we can get the parts in, you know, because of all this coronavirus going on. So hopefully we get this thing done. So go ahead and stay tuned.